profits are an outcome of how people-centric you can become.
Employees will love working for you. Their morale will be higher. If their morale is higher, their engagement is higher. If their engagement is higher, their productivity is higher. If their productivity is higher, they're going to sell more, they're going to market better, they're going to service better.
3P strategy: purpose, process, and profit. It's what hinges everything together.
You are about to ask this new team member to give themselves to your guests, to be efficient, create memorable experiences. Shame on us. We don't do it to them first.
I wanted thousands of people in the audience. I wanted to work with the biggest brands in the world, and today is the day. After 7 years of hard work, being very clear on my vision, I've achieved the goal.
Since 2007, I've been studying the psychology of employee behavior and team performance. And I can distill all of the studies, the lessons, and the research in one simple sentence. Employees want what humans want: truth and transparency.
Michel's keynote has honestly been the most valuable keynote that I've ever seen. Anybody should, or everybody actually should be listening to his keynote, whether it's online or whether it's attending one of his keynotes.
We're seeding the messaging. We're doing what we want for our customers, but with you first. Now I have earned the permission to ask you to create an experience for our guests that they have never seen before.
His presence is so authentic and radiant, and you guys are in for a real treat today.
You know, why we really wanted Michel at our event is actually a combination of a few things. Focus on the customers, on the employees, and profitability is also something that we want to tell to our customers. It was a spot-on fit with the message of our event, which was great.
I have 5 people that report into me. I know what their purpose is in their career intimately, as individuals, not as workers, as human beings. Because this is going to be a very celebratory moment in our company when he leaves. Employee retention does matter, but I'll have a little sub-note and say, but it also doesn't. Like in cases like this, I want him to leave. Celebration is one of our core values. We're going to celebrate when he leaves, on good terms, of course. Every company on this planet is going to tell you that they deliver a great customer experience. Some companies will say that they also deliver a great employee experience. But the fact of the matter is, only a few companies actually do both exceptionally. If you're interested in doing both well, year over year, decade over decade, I highly recommend implementing the people first culture and thriving together.